Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw coins from Vita Mahjong. First, open Vita Mahjong and sign in to your account. Then check your profile, wallet or rewards section for withdrawal options. If you see one, open it and review the available withdrawal methods. You may need to meet a minimum coin balance before a withdrawal becomes available. And if the app asks you to verify your account, then complete the required steps using your own information. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw and carefully review the requirements before confirming. You need to keep in mind that coins in a mobile game aren't automatically real money. The withdrawal feature, minimum balance, and available payment methods can vary by app version, region, and account. And if you don't see a withdrawal option, don't use third-party websites claiming they can convert your coins for you. Then check the app's official help or support section instead. So that's how to check and request a Vita Mahjong coin withdrawal when the feature is available. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.